Hello guys, and welcome to this week's episode of Hunter's Prestige Builds. Today we've got a customer back who is from Essex. They've come in previously with their Defender to get a 13.1 inch screen fitted to their car. As a lot of people know, the 13.1 screen is only available for the Range Rovers, but here at Hunter's Prestige we're able to retrofit that into your Defender. So they've come back in today for a couple of upgrades and also some activations. One of the upgrades they're going for is the brake upgrade. So they're going for the V8 Xeon Blue, which is going to look really, really nice on this car. As we spoke before previously, the performance of the brakes is increased so much better, and just the look of the brakes just looks so much nicer as well. They're also having the reversing lights. So as a lot of people know, the Defenders originally, the reversing lights are very, very poor within that lights. So we've upgraded them for bigger lights, so it helps you see a little bit better. They're also having some activations done. They're having a parking assist put in, which actually we haven't done a video on yet, which we will do shortly. I'm really excited to show you guys that activation, which actually is like a park assist that self-parks the Defender for you. So there's a lot like the Teslas and all the other models out there at the moment with the high technology. Your Defender can now do that. The customer is also opted in for our Hunter's Prestige exclusive DRL bumper. So it's going to look really, really nice in this car and just make it stand out a little bit more, give it a little bit more bulkiness to make it look more dynamic. So let's get cracking on this car and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so there you go guys, the beast is now complete, and as you can see it not only looks the part, but it's got the performance to back it up on the roads. So we're out in Land Rover territory where the car is supposed to be. We've really enjoyed working on this car, and I hope our customer enjoys it as much as we have at Hunter's Prestige. So the customer has the DRL fitted on, and as you can see it really does complement the pod light being on there. With the DRLs, they go hand in hand together and they look really, really nice. The customer's already got a urban pod light fitted to his vehicle, but I personally prefer the ones that we supply. It all goes down to the customer's personal preference and of course the price. As for the Xeon Blue caliper upgrade, I think it's a no-brainer upgrade on this car. It really does complement the accents of gloss black, which runs throughout the vehicle and just makes those wheels pop out just a little bit more. I think it's well worth the upgrade, not only for the price of them compared to what it normally costs for Land Rovers to go in for a brake service. When you price them up, it's nearly exactly the same. And if you're gonna do all the brakes, you might as well just go in for an upgrade. It really does increase the stopping performance of the car. It's a no-brainer upgrade when you're looking at something like that. The customer's gonna be coming back for a Quicksilver exhaust, so stay tuned, you might see this vehicle again. And they're also coming in for some other little bits. The customer's also opted in for the tow eyes on there, which are in gloss red, and they've also got one of our new products, which are the reverse lights. So the customer's actually got red tail lights on there, but you can also get them in smoke. So obviously if you've got the 2 and 2, it really does complement them together. A lot of customers have been complaining about how weak the reversing lights are on these Defenders, and I think you can agree with that. You're gonna get a little bit more visibility on the car. We've really enjoyed working on this build, so if you're interested in any of our products, head over to our website at www.huntersprestige.com or head to our socials, which is Hunters Prestige on absolutely everything. Make sure you like, share, follow, or you can also give us a call on 01842 267 890. Right, let's head back to Hunters HQ for the key handover. Okay guys, we're back at the HQ. We've got the customers back with us. We've already done the reveal of their car. We're just going to go through a couple of things with you guys. So you've already come to us previously for the 13.1 screen.
Yeah.
How are you finding it so far?
Really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's your favourite thing about it?
I just like the wideness of the screen, how big it is, how accessible it is. It's just like when we had the Tesla, and they come with like the big screens, and we just, with that smaller screen, it was just, it wasn't the same.
It's a completely different driving experience with a 10-inch screen to the 13.1.
Sat navs and stuff.
Sat nav, yeah.
Yeah, it's just so much clearer to see everything. So you guys came to us. Was there a specific reason why you chose Hunters Prestige?
Well, my husband likes to watch a lot of the YouTube videos, and
done lots of research.
Lots of research.
That's good.
Every time he was always watching you guys on YouTube and loving your videos, and same as my son.
Yeah.
Every night after work, YouTube, Hunters Prestige, always on. So yeah, we thought definite place to come to.
When you do stuff, you want to do at professional places possible.
Yeah.
And you have to do research, and you have to make sure you do it once and do it properly, not to regret with it.
Yeah.
And that's why we come to you.
I've done my research, I've watched lots of videos, and I feel comfortable to come here. So we come all the way from Essex to do this, and I'm happy now.
That's good to hear. Yeah. So you've gone for pretty much everything that we have available on your car.
Yeah.
So why the products? Why did you choose to go for those products?
Well, we wasn't at first initially going to do everything. We just come for the screen. But then after seeing your lovely work on your own car, we decided to go for the day running lights and all of the extra front bumpers and the ring lights and the reverse lights on there, just to get it perfect.
Okay. So what's next?
Depends how much money I got.
No, we're waiting for the exhaust to come in.
Yep. So you got Quicksilver going on there.
Exhaust coming in, and maybe a couple more bits.
Yep.
As you know, the Range Rover Defender, you can do lots of things with them.
Yes.
And they make the car even more better, take you more up levels and levels. So the more you think about it, the more you do stuff on it.
Yeah.
We've done a lot of activations actually. You guys have done it for us whilst it's been here. And we're hoping to be able to do the park assist.
Yeah, self-parking.
Yeah, we're going to be doing that hopefully next time when we come back for the exhaust. So hopefully.
And you'll be the first customers within the UK as well. So that'd be really good. So I hope you're really happy with it. Thank you so much for coming in, guys.
Thank you so much for doing that all the work.
No worries. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you very much.
See you soon.